Russian MiG-31 fighter jet escorts US R-8A Poseidon aircraft over Pacific Ocean. The MiG-31 fighter jet flew over the Pacific Ocean to escort a US Navy R-8A Poseidon patrol aircraft on Thursday, the Russian National Defense Control Center said. According to the Defense Ministry, Russian airspace control devices detected an air target approaching Russian airspace over the Pacific Ocean. To identify an aerial target and prevent illegal entrance into Russian airspace, a MiG-31 fighter from the Air Defense Forces of the Eastern Military District took off, the center said. The crew of the Russian fighter identified the target as a US Navy P-8A Poseidon patrol aircraft and escorted it over the Pacific Ocean along the southeastern coast of the Kamchatka Peninsula, the center said. The statement was issued just a few hours after Russian warplanes had been scrambled to escort three American -52 bombers spotted near the country's border in the Bering Sea.